Hello everyone, myself Anand, hi. Today I am going to talk about Madhus Garage Equipments and Telwin partnering for the Indian market to provide a world-class body shop solution for the automobile industry. Madhus Garage Equipments has been in the industry from the last 36 years. They have always been getting the world-class products for the Indian market. Madhus has a head office in Bangalore and we have 3 training centers based in Bangalore, Delhi and Pune to provide a world-class training to all our customers. We have around 150 plus service team spread around Pan India to provide good quality service to all our customers. We have a dedicated customer service cell which ensures speedy and faster services to our customers. We were the first to start a customer service cell in Indian market in the automobile industry. And we have 6.5 crores worth of spares always kept in stock to ensure that the speed of service and spare support is always there. Telwin is an Italian company. They manufacture world-class welding equipments for both automobile and industrial application. Madhus has partnered with Telwin from last 15 years and Telwin products has been approved pan-India from all the OEMs. Now I am going to talk about Telwin Spot Welder model 13500 Smart Aqua, and I am going to talk about the unique features of the equipment. Telwin Spot Welder 13500 is an inverter technology. The main advantage of inverter technology is you can do continuous welding. The equipment will never get heated up, and even after 70 or 80 spots, the equipment will never get heated up, and you can do continuous welding. And as we say about smart technology, this equipment is a smart equipment. Normally, when I do a welding process, the technician has to feed the following parameters. That is the thickness of material, the type of material, fusion time and the current. In this equipment, I do not have to feed any inputs. I directly can go and do the welding job. So it becomes easy for the technician to operate the equipment. And the second main advantage of this equipment is it comes with power clamping. Normally in other equipments, the transformer is always built near the gun, but in this equipment, the transformer is built near the clamp. The main advantage of this is it exactly generates 12,000 amps at the tip, which is now required for the new generation of vehicles, which is coming with high strength steel, boron steel. That is the kind of ampere which is required at the tips. And because of the power clamping, these cables are lighter in weight and it is easy to handle, and it is a 5-meter cable. So keeping the equipment station in one place, I'll be able to do the complete operation. That's the second advantage of this equipment. The third main advantage of Telwin Spot Welder is this equipment can operate on 16 amps and 41 kilowatts. It actually, compared to other equipments which is consuming more than 100 kilowatts, this equipment can be easily operated even on a generator. And to support the weight of this transformer, we have got an equalizer cable which can actually handle the weight of the gun. Support the weight of this transformer, we have got a load balancer and an equalizer cable which can easily lift the equipment, and using this we can actually do the operation very easily. This equipment is a water cooled equipment. Because of its water cooling operations, you can do continuous and quality welding. And the fifth main feature of this equipment is it is EMF certified. It is electromagnetic field. The normally electromagnetic field in other equipments is generated all over the equipment, but whereas in Telwin Spot Welder, the EMF is only generated near the tips. So normally customers who's got any heart related issues, this is a good equipment. This is EMF certified and will not have any health hazards. And you can do a maximum welding of 3 plus 3 plus 3 mm thickness of sheet. Now I would like to show and operate and show you how easy it is to operate this equipment. I need to only press the start button, select the arms, select the tips, and now the equipment is ready. I press the push button to align the tips. And the equipment is ready to do the spot. Now I would like to show you how easy it is to operate this equipment. there is no operation. I only need to press this switch to align the clamp, and I am ready to do the spot weld. And you can see the quality of weld. This is coming equivalently to the manufacturer's quality. After the welding is done, you can also check the quality of the weld on the screen. It shows you whether the quality of weld is okay or not. It also shows you what is the current power consumed and the time consumed, and we can also record this data in future for future references. For further any details, we request you to please visit our website www.madhusindia.com, or request you to please contact the following below numbers.